Dracula wishes to reclaim my city. You call yourselves New York's guardians. Now is the time to prove it.
Punisher?
Me against an undead army? I like those odds. Me against an undead army?
Stay alert. This
Should've
fight
stocked
isn't
up on
over
silver
yet.
bullets. Should have stocked up on silver bullets.
A hero at their peak. I hate to admit it, but I'm impressed. More vampires have arrived. Ready yourself for battle. Take them to death and lead them to the judge, jury, executioner! But neither will you, it seems.
Freeze or ability perch?
Fascinating. Now who's the real monster? Another raven coming. Hold the line. Smoke screen. Judge, jury, executioner.
Aray ko, hindi ko kaya. Hindi. Sorry. Kaya pala sa akin na mag-invest ng health kayo. Kakainan ka ng buhay daw.
Judge, jury, executioner! Judge, jury, executioner! Congratulations on surviving another round. Let's hope your luck continues to hold. Such remarkable power. I hope you put it to good use for once. Those monsters look ugly. Another less than noble sacrifice.
patay. Huli. Kasi sa gitna ka nag-judge jury eh. Hindi...
Judge, jury, executioner!
Meron sa likod ko.
Judge, jury, executioner! Judge, jury, executioner! Take a moment and enjoy the peace. It won't last for long. A hero at their peak.
Oh, walang-wala
I
ako sa
hate to
dami.
admit it, but I'm impressed. Vacation's over. Back to work. There's still got some heroism left in you. Judge, jury, executioner! Judge!
Hindi ko alam kung naghahanap na ba ako. Grabe na.
These vigilantes never surrender. Judge, jury, executioner!
Hindi ko naintindihan. Nakatungkong na ako sa kanila.
Surviving another round. Let's hope your luck continues
Ito
to
si
hold.
Ratatoskr. Yari.
Such remarkable power. I hope you put it to good use for once. More vampires.
Run! While you still can.
Sit him down.
Wala na akong takas.
Sacrifice. Leave them to another last and noble sacrifice.
I shall feast on your bones!
Vigilantes never surrender. Judge, jury, executioner! These vigilantes never surrender.
Before I devour you!
Judge, jury, executioner!
I shall feast on your bones!
Another less than
Never!
Patay.
Another less than
Ayun.
noble
Huli.
Thank you.
Ito grabe yung ano bus yun.
Once
Ayun,
again,
92 ah.
the Vampire King is defeated,
Maganda na yung gear
and
ni
the
Cookie.
darkness has been banished. But is
Pero hindi
this
siya
really the
ano.
end of the story?
Okay. Thanks for the carry.